from the world. Sweeter rains new fall, coming from heaven, like the first dew fall on the first grass. Praise for the sweetness of the wet garden, springing from blackness that has been past. Mine is the sunlight, mine is the morning, born of the one light, even so plain. Praise revelation, praise every morning, God's sweet creation.